Do you want to speak English fluently using your phone? But you are confused. Which app is best? Which app actually works? Don't worry. Today I will share 5 best apps that help me improve my English. Hello future learners. Welcome back to Nigam English Academy. This is day 20 of our Think in English 30 days challenge. Today I will share 5 powerful apps for English speaking practice that I personally use. These are not random apps. These are practical tools that really help you speak English. So watch carefully and choose the best apps for yourself. App number 1, Duolingo. First app is Duolingo. This is perfect for beginner. When I was beginner, then I use these apps every day. And now also I am using this app for Japan language learning. You can learn basic English, vocabulary, simple sentence, and you can also practice with this app. It teaches in a fun way, just like game. And you speak. You not only show and watch. You can also speak and you can also practice with this app. Use it 10 to 15 minutes daily. Don't skip practice. You everyday practice. That can help me a lot for learning words and writing sentence. App number 2 is most important because everybody use of this app. If somebody have no knowledge, then they don't use. Otherwise everybody use. Not only use for learning English. You can use these apps for everything. What you have questions? Open this app and search. What is your problem? Share. They give answer all of. They act just like friend, teachers, whatever you make, they will. The app name is ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT. The most powerful app is ChatGPT. Practice conversations, ask doubt, learn sentence, get correction. It works like a personal English teacher. And I personally use. If you want to demo, then comment me demo apps, then I show you how I can use personally for learning English. Yeah, others I use every day of ChatGPT to everything. For tips for you, ask simple questions like correct my sentence, talk with me in English, how I can speak English, how I can practice English, everything. App number 3 is English conversation practice. This app is best for real life speaking practice. You will learn daily conversations, common sentence, real situations. For examples, how are you? What are you doing? These apps helps you start speaking. If you have fear, if you hesitate to speak something, so try this app. If you shy to front someone to speaking, then this app is for you. So you definitely start. App number 4 is Ace Fluency. This app focuses on fluency and speaking practice. It helps you speak naturally, improve pronunciations, build confidence. Use it daily for better fluency. If you are beginner or intermediate and you want to fluency, you want to speak fast English, then try these apps. App number 5 is the best AI app. That app is Sivi. This app uses AI conversation practice. You can talk like a real conversation. It helps you improve speaking, build confidence. And I want to tips for you. Speak slowly and clearly. So if you use any app, then tell me who app is best for you. And who are you? Beginner, intermediate, or pro? One thing, you listen carefully. Apps don't make you fluent. Your practice makes you fluent. Many people download apps but don't use them daily. That is the biggest mistake. Follow this simple routine for practice. Morning, Duolingo 10 minutes. Afternoon, practice sentence. Evening, speak using ChatGPT. Total 20 to 30 minutes daily for speaking learning. Consistency plus fluency. One common mistakes do everybody. So don't you do that. Big mistakes. Only using apps. Not speaking. So always speak loudly. Repeat sentence. Know your challenge. Comment me which apps are you using or which app will you try today. Also write one English sentence. If you use these apps daily and practice speaking, you will definitely improve. So start today. No delay. Subscribe to Nigam English Academy and continue this challenge.